Oh, Sandy, my sweet wife, how I love thee. Let me count the ways. Hi, Steve here. I decided to change my voice because I need to sound more like a manly man. So, guys, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I have some great ideas on how to make a great sentimental gift that your wife or boyfriend or whoever your loved one is will love, even if you're just making it for your cat. Okay, let me show you what I made for my wife. I really think she'll like it for Valentine's. It's thoughtful, and there's a cute story behind it. Let me show it to you. The truth of the matter is that I haven't had much money lately. I can't really afford much, but I still want my wife to know how much I love her and appreciate her. I want her to know that I don't take her for granted. So I had to make something at least. Let me show it to you. Here it is. Isn't it cute? Well, that's not really a word that I typically use, but I think my wife will think it's cute. So, the story behind these pictures is our friend was taking pictures up for us before we got married, and we did it on the couch, and there was a huge furry spider on the ceiling, and so me and Sandy were just like, oh my gosh, what the heck is that? It's so scary and huge. And then I grabbed Sandy and I was just like, I'll hold you. Don't worry about the spider. And so that's the picture on top. And I don't think she knows that I held on to these pictures because we took other pictures before we got married that were nicer, because this was just, you know, this was, the spider kind of messed it up, she thought, so I don't think she knew that I held on to them secretly. So, and then I went to the Dollar Tree because I'm broke right now, and I got a nice frame, got some nice cute stickers that are all kind of girly looking for my wife. They're glittery, and then I, filled in the spaces in between it with colored pens. And so, yeah, I glued it on a white piece of paper. But look how nicely it fits. It's perfect. And my wife is always complaining about how she doesn't like her job and how people always treat her like crap. So, I just thought that this was really a good thing for her to hang up on around her desk area, so that when she's having a bad day, she could think about how I'm always there for her during the bad times even. Just like how I held her when we saw that big furry spider. So, I hope that I helped give you guys some ideas. Sometimes even the cheapest, I don't like to use the word cheap, but the most inexpensive things can be the best gifts, I think, because I put a lot of time into this and thought, so I think that that's worth more than money. So, hope you guys have a nice holiday. Happy Valentine's Day coming up. Take care, like, comment, and subscribe. So, what I recommend doing is just finding a very sentimental photo of you and the person you love and framing it and decorating it. There's all kinds of things you could do. You can, if your wife or boyfriend loves dinosaurs, you can draw a dinosaur in the background. The possibilities are endless. And it's just a good way to let them know that you think about them, you think about their interests, and you listen to them, and you love them. So, thanks for watching.